Hi, let's start chapter 1 of compiler. This is introduction to compiler. Here I will cover language processing system, compiler, phases of compiler and lexical analysis. Let's start language processing system. The software that compile and generate a .exe file is called language processing system, or you can say the software that converts source code from one form of language to another form of language is called language processing system. The basic functions of LPS are preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker and loader. First will be preprocessor, then is compiler, then is assembler, then is linker and loader. We'll give a high level language to preprocessor. Preprocessor will generate pure high level language. What is pure high level language? The programming language without any hash is called as pure high level language. Next, compiler will generate a assembly language for assembler. Then assembler will generate a relocatable code, or you can say object code for linker and loader. Then linker and loader will generate a .exe file. So we are going through these 4 steps, but in compiler design our focus will be on compiler. Before starting compiler in detail, let's know what is preprocessor, what is assembler and what is linker and loader. First, preprocessor. Preprocessor is a tool that produces input for compiler without hash. It deals with microprocessing, file inclusion, and language extension etc. Preprocessor, also called macro evaluator. It is optional. Preprocessing is not required for language which doesn't support hash include and macro. For example, Pascal. Macro processing. A macro is a rule or pattern that specifies how a certain input sequence should be mapped to an output sequence according to defined procedure. The macro process that instantiates a macro in specific output sequence is known as macro expansion. For example, hash define. In a program, suppose some variable you are using repeatedly. Rather than writing in every function, you can declare before the program in hash define and you can use whole program. Suppose you want to change that variable, you can simply change on hash define. Next, file inclusion. Preprocessor include header file into the program text. When the preprocessor finds an hash include directive, it replaces it by entire content of the specified file. For every hash include, there is a specific file. It will just replace that file in place of that hash include. Next, language extension. The processor attempt to add capability to the language by built-in macro. For example, the language equal is a database query language embedded in C. Suppose you are embedding database query language into C, that is language extension. You are adding more capability to the programming language by adding extension. So these are tasks of preprocessor, macro processing, file inclusion and language extension. Next is compiler, the software system that converts source code into assembly language instruction is called as compiler. It is optional, not required for scripting language like HTML, DHTML, JavaScript, etc. Next is assembler. Assembler create object code by translating assembly instruction into machine code. Object code is hexadecimal and operated by executable file format, or you can say EFF. Object code is relocatable. Next is linker and loader. A linker or link editor is a program that takes one or more objects generated by the compiler and combine them into single executable program. So three tasks of linker are: first is allocation, getting memory partition from OS to store the object code. Next is relocation, mapping of relocatable object code in the physical location. Then linker, combine all external, or you can say .dll file to the object code and generate a .exe file. So system-wide startup file, system library file, system IO file, it is will be added to object code for generating .exe file. Next, loader. A loader is a part of operating system that is responsible for loading program in memory. one of the essential stages of processing the starting program. Loader responsibility is to load the program in physical memory. There are four functions of language processing system. First is preprocessor, then compiler, then assembler, then linker or loader. Preprocessor, it evaluates macro, file inclusion and language extension and produce a pure high-level language. Then compiler take that pure high-level language and generate a assembly language. Then assembler will produce a relocatable file. Next, linker and loader that combine several files into one exe file and load into physical memory. Thank you.